Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Alex, and today I'm diving into a topic that's super exciting for anyone interested in growing their wealth. My aggressive Acorns portfolio. We're going to break down my investment goals, how I'm planning to hit that $100,000 milestone, and how I'm using dividends and increased contributions to speed up things. So let's get into it. All right. Let's start with the basics. My goal with Acorns is to hit 100,000. I'm currently investing $69 every week. This is money that goes from my job. This is my income that I'm investing into this portfolio every week with the sole purpose on hitting $100,000 in this portfolio based on Acorns' own projections. By viewing the potential in Acorns, this is telling me that by age 39, I will hit $100,523, which is pretty exciting. But the question, some questions you may be asking yourself is, why 69? Why is that number so comfortably? Why is that my decision? And I chose 69 because that number fits comfortably into my budget each week. That's about $300 a month. And I'm investing that every week to make sure that this portfolio is growing, and I'm aiming for aggressive growth. So if we go to my Acorns portfolio strategy, this portfolio is completely aggressive. It doesn't only hold stocks. It holds about 5% in crypto, and about 95% of it is stocks. 5% of it being held in a Bitcoin ETF specifically, but it's mostly being invested in very large companies, such as BO, which is the standard S&P 500 EFT. We have our medium-sized companies, which is the IGF. This is another exchange traded fund, which very well behaves similar to the S&P 500, but this is for S&P 500 mid caps. Of course, we also have international company stocks as well as small company stocks, and then our Bitcoin strategy ETF, which is where 5% of our total investments are going into. Now, Acorns does a fantastic job of investing my money in a diversified portfolio. It takes advantage of compound growth, but there's more to it than just putting money and watching it grow. We got dividends to play here as well. If I go to my recent activity and I view all, you can see that I received a dividend as early as September 10th, 2024. I received a dividend of about $6.77. On August 30th, I had a recurring investment of the $69 weekly, which I invest about every Friday. Same again, we have another recurring investment of $23, and of August 23rd of $69, and August 16th of $69 again. Each month I'm getting paid around a $6 dividend on this, which is automatically reinvested back into the portfolio. I'm not taking these $10 and doing anything with them. I'm reinvesting it right back into the portfolio. Some months I get a little bit more than 7, some months I get 8, 9, depending on when the EFTs are paying. Now, dividends, for those that know dividends, you know that dividends are an essential portion of a company's earnings and that are paid out to shareholders. With Acorns, these dividends are reinvested into the portfolio, which helps accelerate growth over time. It's like a little bonus to help my money grow even faster. Now, to sum it up, my aggressive Acorns portfolio is all about reaching that 100,000 milestone by investing $69 weekly, taking advantage of dividends, and planning to increase my contributions to $500 a month. It's an exciting journey, and I'm thrilled to share it with y'all. If you enjoyed this video and want to follow along with my investing journey, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Also, drop a comment below if you have any questions about the Acorns or investing strategies. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next